All right, here we go with an espresso. Or I'm sorry, the espresso insert. Turn it on. And I'm going to stick with the 4 ounces is what I usually do. And so just push that button again. It's just taking a second to heat up. And you can hear it. Espresso one. This one for that one there. And then in the side here, see there it goes, it's gonna beep at me in a second. So that means it's done. So I usually open this and leave it there for a minute in case it's dripping a little more. I'm gonna move these a little bit so you can see. And I do use just the funnel and scoop for the espresso still too. And on the side here, one is ground coffee and the other one is K-cup. So it says ground coffee. So you can fit 2 things on the side here. And then I'm going to use my spoon rest. Go show you this. Spoon rest over here to put things when they come out hot. So there we go. And that is the latest in the coffee stuff. So looks delicious. Again, it's going to drip a little bit, but even if you had taken your coffee away earlier, it's got the drip tray that'll collect it. So hope you guys all have a great day and happy cooking.